If you've ever wanted to draw faces and you've struggled with noses, you should watch this video. Each and every person has a different nose that helps us decipher who they are. We recognize people by the tip of their nose, the nostrils, and the bridge of their nose, and how they're located compared to each other and the shapes of them. Whenever I sketch an average nose, I start with a circle for the tip. Now for this average nose, the circle is whatever size I feel like making it. Underneath the circle, I create the nostril area. Above the circle, I create the bridge of the nose. And to the sides of the circle, I create the width of the nostrils. All of these can change based on every single person you draw. Take, for example, Tom Hiddleston here. Tom Hiddleston has a smaller or skinnier nose, so the tip of his nose is going to be a smaller circle. From that area, the nostrils underneath angle up at a little bit more extreme of an angle than my original sketch. His nostril width is also a little bit skinnier than I sketched before. And you'll notice in the bridge of the nose, it kind of goes up from the tip, then slants out and back up that little rounded area. So you need to focus on that rounded area. Now the way I'm looking at this picture, I only see a shadow to one side of his nose, and that's what I'm going to focus on. Shadows are very important in noses. You don't want to just draw a line up on each side of the bridge because that will look very fake or cartoony. If you get the relationship of these areas of the nose right, you'll start to make it look like that person. For this example, it's Owen Wilson, who has a much larger tip of his nose and bridge. His nostrils are much skinnier, so you'll notice when I sketched the tip of the nose, I did a much larger circle, and then above that, I brought it in and then out for the bridge of the nose to represent his a little bit larger sized nose. I love drawing noses because it makes each individual person themselves. Getting this right will help you in your step to make realistic looking portraits, so I hope this helps.